Hi guys, lindaezemedolumgt here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you businesses that you can start with just 10,000 naira, which is approximately $20. So these are businesses you can start with just $20 or anywhere in the world that you're at. If you want to know these business ideas, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, bro, please click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. Let's get right into this video, guys. So the first business idea is selling lingerie. It could be pants, it could be bras, it could be boxers, it could be singlets. You can buy a few of these items and sample them to your friends, sample them to your neighbors, sample them to your colleagues. And the key thing is you want to pick very unique pieces. You want to make sure you pick pieces that are very colorful, pieces that the fabric is really nice and good quality. Where do you source for this lingerie? You can source for this lingerie on websites such as AliExpress. You can search for lingerie from websites such as Alibaba. Or you can go to your local markets or get from somebody who imports from these foreign countries. You just pick very unique pieces from the person and you resell it. If you want to start a lingerie business and you're looking for who you can buy female underwears from in large quantity, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to send you I'm going to hook you up with somebody that I know that imports lingeries from China and has a large quantity of bras and pants in various sizes. So this is something you can, I think she even sells male boxers. So if it fits in a business you're interested in doing, I'll hook you up with somebody that imports in bulk and you can buy from her and sell and make very good profits. And the beauty of lingerie businesses is that it's a business that you can scale on the long run. Let's say you start to build up your capital from starting the business with just 10,000 naira. When you see how quickly the lingerie sell, you can then choose to get an investor or borrow money from somebody that you know, and you invest in getting labels, just like the way you see brands like Victoria's Secret. You can have your own brand and you can then attach your brand label to these underwears, so it's not be like you have your own line of underwears. So that's something you can also do. It's a business you can scale and grow on the long run. So that's the first business idea you can do. As a second business idea, you can start with just $20 or 10,000 naira is selling food. Yes, selling food is one of the easiest businesses you can start, but take note, it's very time consuming, it's a bit stressful, but you are guaranteed to make 100 or 200% profit from selling food. What can you sell? You can choose to sell things like instant noodles. You just make your noodles with sausages, eggs, maybe chicken. Take pictures of your food or make a video of your food. You post it on your socials, maybe your WhatsApp, your Facebook, Instagram. You can create an Instagram account and post videos of your noodles and have people buy your noodles. You can make noodles and sell a plate of noodles with chicken, a small drumstick for, let's say, 800 naira or 1,000 naira for a plate of noodles. If you can make sales of, let's say, 20 plates of noodles in a day, that's how much? Almost 16,000 naira for a business you're starting with just 10,000 naira. And you buy noodles again the following day, you sell again. That's how you're going to be building up your profit. So by just selling instant noodles and finding the way to make noodles look really, really nice, you can decide to sell a plate of noodles for 1,000 naira if 800 naira is too cheap. But I think chicken right now is more expensive than how it used to be. Sell a plate of noodles with chicken for 1,000 naira. Put vegetables in it. You can garnish it with sausage, pepper, onions, carrots, green beans, just make it look nice. You can even add a little corned beef to it to just, make it look richer. Depending on the things you add to it, you can even choose to sell these plates of noodles for 1,500 naira. Take note, let the noodles be dry and soft and very tasty, very attractive looking. People are going to buy your noodles. So start a food business. You can even choose to just deal in just moi moi. If you're somebody that knows how to make moi moi, I don't know if you guys know what moi moi is, but it's like beans cake. When you grind beans and add some seasoning to it and boil it inside plates or nylons or leaf wraps. Moi moi is something Nigerians love a whole lot. Not just Nigerians, I think some other African countries also eat moi moi, but moi moi really is a very delicious food. It's something that people who are trying to shed off some weight tend to eat because it's low it's low in calories, and it's easy for the body to digest moi moi. And it's something you can also eat with other things like pap. You can also have moi moi with jollof rice, you can have moi moi with fried rice, you can have moi moi with fried plantain. So it's a food that goes with lots of things. So some people don't like making moi moi in their homes. Why? Because moi moi takes time to make, and it's not everybody that knows how to make a very good moi moi. So if you know how to make moi moi, why not capitalize on that knowledge that you have? Start making moi moi. You can sell a plate of moi moi for, let's say, 200 naira or 300 naira. Find a way to make your moi moi very affordable, so that people would buy your moi moi in bulk. Like, let's say you make a plate of moi moi or a wrap of moi moi, depending on how you choose to pack your moi moi. You make a plate or a pack for 300 naira or 200 naira, and you put, let's say, just small fish in it, or let's say half egg or a full egg in it. Find a way to make the moi moi very, very tasty. Let it be very tasty. Let people like your moi moi. When they want to buy, they won't just buy one moi moi. They're going to buy about 10 or 20 plates of moi moi and keep in their house, so they can just be taking from your moi moi and eating. So by the time you have at least like 10 people buying 20 wraps of moi moi from you on a weekly basis, that's good money, sis. So please do not ever look down on selling food as something that you can make profit from. You can make a lot of profit from selling food. Like, I myself have made lots of profit from selling food. I have filmed a video some years back or some months back about how I made over 500,000 naira selling food. Take note, I started that food business with just, I think, 6,000 naira or 12,000 naira, and in just 4 months of selling food, I made over 500,000 naira from the food business. So do not ever ignore or look down on selling food. The third business idea you want to start with just $20 or 10,000 naira is doing hair. So the thing with doing hair is you can go to any hair salon and you volunteer yourself there to be their hairstylist. Let's say if you know how to do hair, you can just go there. And what happens with starting from a hair salon is, when you work, the owner of the salon takes a portion of the money that is earned, that you earn, and you also take a portion of it. When you're starting out, you can go to a salon and start out from there. You don't need to have tools, you don't need to even have any products or anything. But if there are particular products that you like to use, or a particular tool that you need, you can use that 10,000 naira to buy those products and tools that you need, and you start styling hair for people. With time, when people see how good you are and you're able to showcase your work, and people see your work and they like the work that you do, you can then choose to become a freelancer. You can choose to stop going to the salon and start providing services to people that can reach out to you from previous work you've done, or from referrals, or from your socials. People start to reach out to you for you to render those services to them, and without you, before you know what's going on, you've actually built a multi-million business for yourself, just because of the skill, the amazing skill that you have. Imagine styling hair for somebody and the person pays you somewhere around 10,000 or 20,000 for just hair that you styled for just, let's say, 1 hour or 2 hours. So there's so much possibility in learning how to style. Even me myself, I think I need to go and learn how to style hairs very well, because it's one thing for you to have good quality hair extensions, and it's another thing for you to know how to style that good quality hair extensions very well. Because if you don't know how to style good quality hair very well, it might end up looking cheap when it should actually look expensive, just because of how styling can take hair from here to up here. Becoming a hairstylist, becoming a hairdresser is something you can consider doing to earn yourself a good income, and to just build a business or build a personal brand for yourself that is very scalable, that you can even delve into doing other things. So guys, the fourth business idea you can start with just 10,000 naira or $20 is selling thrift items. How can you get into selling thrift items? You can just put up flyers and ask people for clothes that they're no longer wearing. There are people who tend to donate their clothes a lot. If you can get people to give you clothes that you no longer wear, or you yourself, you have clothes that you no longer wear, and you want to sell these clothes, you can start off your second-hand clothes business by just selling clothes that you no longer wear. There's a lady on Instagram, I think her name is Obi. She started up a business, merchants something, from just selling hand down clothes. So it's definitely something you can build up a business from. And take note, these handmade clothes are being sold at the most affordable prices possible, and the quality of these clothes is still intact. So it's not like you're selling something that has already lost all of its quality. Like, the quality of these items are still very much intact. So the customer is able to buy these products, these second-hand clothes, which is called okrika here in Nigeria, at a very affordable price, and the quality they are getting is also still very, very on point. So it's definitely a business you want to consider starting out if you are on a small budget, you don't have a lot of money to start a business, but you most definitely want to start a business this year. Because of course we can see that the economy of the world, we are experiencing some very harsh economic situations, but take note, like the Bible said, even when there's a going down in the economy of the world, we shall be expressing a going up, because our economy is not of this world, but our economy is of Jesus Christ. So please do not be afraid to start a business, even if it seems like things are hard right now. Just have faith, trust God that everything's gonna work out for you. Start that business and you'll definitely be smiling to the bank very soon. So long as you're able to be consistent, you're able to be resilient, you're able to trust God, and you're able to seek out to give quality products consistently. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value out of it, please make sure you smash the like button, share the video with your friends who are also going to get value out of it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.